We flew to San Francisco, met with Apple, and walked away with an Apple HomePod. Finally, this thing has come out. You know, the Amazon Echo came out in November of 2014, so we've had to wait a little while to see this speaker. And because it's an Apple product, they always do a really good out-of-box experience. I thought before we shoot our review, we would get into the unboxing experience for this product. So let's dig in, pulling back the typical Apple plastic here. Peels right off of the box. We'll shove that out of the way, and then raise the roof, as it were. And there she is, the Apple HomePod. Now, we've got the white version here. There's also the space gray version. I actually prefer that color. But as we pull it out of the box here, it looks like we've got a really nice fabric-coated cable for the power plug, and it's all wrapped up. We'll definitely undo that in a little bit. And then remaining in the box is not much. There's a little bit of literature here from Apple, and that's all she wrote. Not much to look at there, and that's because Apple's done a lot to make the setup process extremely simple for iPhone owners. We'll show you that in the full review. But you know, first impressions coming straight out of the box, this thing is stout. It is built like a tank. Very, very heavy, and I know a lot of that has to do with the big magnets that they've got on both the 4-inch driver and all the tweeters that go around the speaker. But it's also got a really stout cabinet. This mesh fabric is very, very cool. It's supposed to be acoustically transparent, so you know it doesn't alter the sound of the speaker. You'll see later when we power this up, there are some hidden touch controls here, but obviously the HomePod uses Siri, and you're supposed to interact with it using your voice, so we'll be doing plenty of that. Really simple unboxing of the Apple HomePod. It feels great. It feels like an Apple product. We know it's going to act like an Apple product, but there's a lot of caveats. I will tell you right now, sounds amazing, but there are some concessions that you're going to have to make if you decide to invest in this speaker. So come back, check out our full review of the Apple HomePod, and we'll see you next time.